name is Sylvain, Senior Tech and Trainer at Confection Evoca. Today we'll see how to unpack a Krea Touch machine and how to install it. To install your appliance, make sure you got the right number of people to be able to manipulate the machine if you don't have the proper tools to do so alone. To install a Krea Touch machine, you'll need those following tools. You'll need a 10mm socket wrench, a pair of cutters, an adjustable wrench, and a level indicator. If you've got the proper tools, lift the machine on the countertop, and if need be, ask for help to be able to lift the machine securely. Make sure that you wear the proper security equipment. Cut the steps to be able to unpack the machine. Remove the cardboard box. Plastic bags and all protections on the machine. Unbolt the machine from the pallet using a 10mm socket driver. Make sure that you remove all 4 bolts. Remove the unit from the pallet using a helpful hand to be able to securely put it on the countertop. Recover the main key located onto the drip tray. Open the machine up. Remove the accessories and user's manual from the inside of the machine. Remove the drip train grill. And you'll find all the accessories into the waste bin. Two sets of legs are included with each machine. You got the short legs, and you got the extended legs to be NSF compliant. Use the appropriate tool to tilt the machine to install the legs underneath the machine. For the purpose of that video, we'll just mount the short legs. Once the legs have been installed, make sure that the unit is level using a level indicator. Before connecting the machine to the water line, make sure that you got the proper water line and requirements to connect your machine. You must have a valve to be able to shut the water line off, and also have the proper fitting on the water line. Before connecting any appliances to the water line, make sure to drain the line for at least 1 gallon to get rid of the sediments and minerals inside the water line. After draining the water line, remove the plastic cap from the inlet. And securely attach the water line to the back of the machine. Do not over torque. This might damage the inlet valve. Slowly open the valve and make sure that there is no leak at the machine before connecting the power cord to the outlet. Before hooking the machine to the outlet, make sure that you got the proper electrical install at location. All the information is provided on the nameplate inside the machine. put the waste bin bag, and also reinstall the jet tray and grill. You are now ready to turn the machine on and start filling your products.